Heart defects are common. About 40,000 babies are born with them each year, according to the CDC. But 1 in 4 of those infants will need to undergo surgery or a procedure before their first birthday. Meet a baby girl whose heart structure was more critical than most. Erica Foreman reports.
Near the start of her pregnancy's 3rd trimester, a routine ultrasound took an unexpected turn for Megan Curtis.
When you're told that your baby's sick, that's the scariest moment of your whole life, especially being a first-time mom.
Megan's baby girl, Paisley, had severe heart defects.
Paisley's heart is double backwards, and she doesn't have the left side of her heart, which is the powerhouse of the heart.
Paisley had her first heart surgery at just 6 days old, and then about 9 months later became the youngest of 6 patients at Cleveland Clinic Children's to undergo an innovative procedure. Pieces of heart lining were used to rebuild the left side of her heart, and special connectors helped reroute blood supply to her lungs and body.
We're actually converting her into 2 pumping chambers like normal people, and that is the concept that we think is very unique in Paisley's heart.
Also unique is the 3D heart, an exact replica of Paisley's anatomy that was used to plan each incision, stitch, and suture.
We examined this 3D printed heart with our hands, and we looked at the possibilities of how can we route this heart in a way that it functions as normal hearts.
Traditionally, this type of defect is repaired using a procedure known to fail over time. But Dr. Najim's approach is designed to avoid that complication and also allow children to be more active.
The greatest advantage with this repair is that her functional capacity, as in the ability to do exercise, will be much better.
Paisley is now a year old and full of energy, and she's working hard to catch up on developmental milestones.
Look at you go!
One step at a time.
She's always happy and smiling and saying hi, and she's such a blessing and a little miracle, and it just radiates off of her.
At Cleveland Clinic, I'm Erica Foreman.